I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, Lewie, I read your comment and I think it's a great idea. I've got a center drill in this drill motor. I'm going to try that. I also found something that was a problem. The end of the socket driver was packed full of chips. Now I tried getting the chips out and I couldn't think of anything that worked until I came up with the idea of using this totally wasted brass wire brush to go in there and polish it up. It worked. Before I did that, the screw fell out every time I put it in there. Now it holds. Got a good chance. Still going to use the center drill. I think that's a good way to go. The best way to test it is go up and mount one. And since I have a ladder set up there, I might as well do this one. It's a little bit warmer today, so I'm going to go up barehanded. I'm not going to wear the gloves. The gloves are kind of a problem, but when you're up there and you're working with that cold steel, you really need to have your hands warm. You can take the gloves off and put them back on again, but you really need to have your hands warm in order to just be able to hang on. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to climb up there. We're going to put a couple of screws in and mount one of these hangers, see if I can get a light hooked up. Got to make sure I got that I have to make sure I have that clip locked. Otherwise I'm going to drop that drill motor. And I've already busted the impact driver. It's still holding together, but it's got a big old crack in it. What I need is a chuck that mounts into a hex shank. So that I could just switch out bits and not have to swap back and forth between drum motors. This is better than nothing. Far sight better than nothing. Still drop one, but that's just me. Not the fault of anything else other than me. Perfect. I'm happy. Got her up there, got a solid. Climb down, go out, grab the lamp. Okay, the center drill is a great idea, Lewie. Wish I'd have grabbed a sharp one. But this one works a lot better than the tip of that screw. So, we got something working. Waste not, want not. I found that these boxes are perfect for hauling tools around with. I'm still loading stuff up in the workshop, and I got a whole lot more in the basement. Not to mention all the stuff that's in the tractor shed and the lawnmower shed. Well worth the time, effort, and money. There. Got a little Chinese handcuff in there. If you push this out, it goes out, but it won't go back in. Little release right there. It does go back in. Push on that, it goes in, and push on this little button and it comes out. So you can adjust it back and forth. That's kind of cool. Learn something new every day, at least if we're lucky. Okay, now we can plug it in, and we have a success. Now I have the safety cable on it. I think the camera died halfway through that operation, but that's the cable on it. Don't have to worry about that coming down and landing on the floor. Third light up, all ready to go. Got the safety cable on it. Tested the light, as you can see it's working. Now, other things to do, but I definitely wanted to try that. Great idea. Thanks, Lewie. Made it a lot easier. I got 3 lights up. I'm happy. We're about out of battery. We're going to stop for now. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.